Welcome! If you want to activate Hey Google options into your VIVO V20, firstly go into Google application, this one. Then on the bottom we got more options, so click it and go into settings. Then choose voice. And here we got voice match, so click it. And click here to turn on this option, so click it. I need to give access to your assistant, so click next, click I agree. And now we activate our Hey Google options into your VIVO V20. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.